And welcome mga kasenso sa itong first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. Our last game for tonight's Urban Division Games between Barangay Santo Niño and Barangay Linienza. And Caballero with a teardrop. Cruz to Barcoma. Barcoma for 3. No good. Caballero with the ball. Caballero for 3. Kablam! Caballero nailing that 3-pointer mga kasenso. And a steal by Caballero. Pass to Diva, back to Caballero. Donya for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Diva. And the layup is in. Barcoma to Navarro. To Barcoma. Back to Barcoma. To Cruz. Cruz for 3. In and out. Kua with offensive rebound and the putback. And a steal by Barcoma. Pass to Navarro. And the layup missed. Donya for 3. No good. Caballero, kick out to Donya. Three-pointer blocked by Barcoma. Layup no good. Rebound by Cruz. And last touch, Linienza. Cruz to Barcoma. Barcoma for 3. Kablam! Kokoy Barcoma nailing his first three-pointer of the evening. Donya to Diva. Bolotaulo. Jumper no good. Cruz, pull-up jumper. Basket in and out. Now Bolotaulo with the ball. Ball stolen by Cruz. And the long pass to Barcoma, to Navarro. And the touch pass was stolen by Caballero. And now Caballero on the run. And the floater is in. And a timeout was called by Barangay Santo Niño. With 5 minutes gone through our first quarter, atong score 8-11, 3-point lead by Barangay Linienza. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samico. And now back to our ball game. Ball possession to Santo Niño. Navarro with the ball. Pass to Kua. To Barcoma. Pull-up jumper. Missed. Caballero for 3. No good. Rebound by Kua. Cruz to Barcoma to Kua, and a steal by Bolotaulo. Pass to Diva, and Diva blocked by Cruz. Caballero to Donya. Donya attacking. Drop pass to Diva. Diva with a layup. Missed. Rebound by Cruz. And Cruz was fouled.
Jersey number 17. First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Liniensa.
Navarro with the ball. Pass to Cruz. To Barcoma. Drop pass to Barcoma. Pull-up jumper. Missed. Diva to Caballero. To Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo, jumper. Basket is good. Cruz. Step back jumper. Missed. Donya to Caballero. To Bolotaulo. To Donya. Back to Caballero. Caballero. Kablam! Donya nailing that three-pointer, mga ka-Asenso. And now Navarro attacking. And the layup is in. Caballero, inside pass to Diva.
Barangay Santunin. 5 seconds shot clock.
And Navarro with the easy layup. Bolotaulo. Three-pointer. No good. And Navarro with a layup. Caballero for three. No good. And that was our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Ato score 14-16. 2-point lead by Barangay Liniensa. And welcome sa tuwang second quarter, mga ka-Asenso, between Barangay Santo Niño and Barangay Liniensa. And Barcoma ties the ball game with a fadeaway at the start of our second quarter.
First personal foul. First.
And of course, big shout out sa tong live feed viewers karon, no? Na Caballero with the ball. Pass to Balat, to Donya. Donya for 3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. And ball deflected. Last touch, Santo Niño. Balat to Caballero. Inside pass to Diva. Diva was fouled. And the basket is good.
Foul. Jersey number 10. First personal foul.
And an amazing attendance sa tong Asenso Gymnasium tonight. Fully jam-packed mga ka-Asenso. And Diva nailing the bonus throw. And Salahudin Marcaban, pa-shoutout po idol sa Marcaban family. Siyempre, shoutout sa Marcaban family. Yes, mga amigo na to na sila. And Singedas missing the three-pointer. And now De Los Reyes will check in para sa Liniensa. Balat to Donya for 3. Missed. Rebound by Barcoma. Cruz attacking. And he was fouled.
Foul. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Yes, and shoutouts po sa Team Dumagok, syempre. Team Dumagok. And Cruz with the basket. Balat. Missing that runner. Bola nakuha ni De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, step back jumper, no good. And Udin was fouled. Yes, it's J. Ball play Sordilla. Shout out to Sordilla family. And shout out to Dandan Donya and Team Liniensa. And si LC Perocho, shout out Errol Flynn Agonia, Kangaroo Run. Yan. Now Cruz with the ball to Singedas for 3. Kablam! Singedas nailing that three-pointer, mga kasenso. Balat to Donya for 3. Can't answer back. Rebound by Singedas. Pass to Barcoma to Singedas. Attacking. Pass back to Barcoma. Missing the jumper. Bola nakuha ni De Los Reyes. And Odin missing the layup. And Odin was fouled.
Foul, jersey number 8. First personal foul. Third team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
And Nano Barcoma will check in para sa Barangay Santo Niño. And Sergeant Igam will check in para sa Barangay Santo Niño. And Odin nailing the first throw. And Odin nails both free throws. De La Cruz, a Cruz for 3. In and out. And a jump ball. Ball possession will go to Barangay Linienza.
Substitution, Barangay Linienza.
De Los Reyes, pull-up jumper. Basket is good. Now Cruz with the ball, attacking, blocked by Diva.
Ball, first personal foul. 4 Diva. Barangay Santo Niño.
Donya for 3, no good. And Odin blocked by Cruz. And now Navarro attacking the basket. Layup is in. Donya to Diva, to De Los Reyes. Another jumper, missed. Rebound by Cruz. Igam, off the glass, no good. Barcoma for 3, no good. Barcoma attacking, kick out to Cruz for 3. Kablam! Cruz with a 3-pointer from the corner. And a timeout was called by Barangay Linienza with 4 minutes remaining sa doang second quarter. At to score 26-23, 3-point lead by Barangay Santo Niño. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samico. And De Los Reyes with the ball, pass to Diva. Diva on the low post. Turn around, layup, no good. Bola nakuha ni Navarro. Navarro to Igam. Igam, jumper, off the glass, in and out. And last touch, Linienza. And now Caballero and Sabuero will check in para sa Linienza. Now Cruz with the ball. Pass to Barcoma. Loses the handles. Ball stolen by Diva to Caballero to Donya. And a turnover para sa Linienza. Cruz with the balls. Baseline drive. Kick out to Egam. Egam for 3. No good. And Donya nailing that three-pointer, mga ka-Asenso, from the side wing. And we are on our third deadlock for tonight's game, mga ka-Asenso. Now Navarro for 3. Kablam! Navarro answering back para sa Team Santo Niño. And Diva called with an offensive foul. And a timeout was called by Barangay Santo Niño with 2 minutes remaining sa itong second quarter. At to score 29-26, 3-point lead by Barangay Santo Niño. And this timeout is brought to us by CTG Construction. And shoutouts kay Jefferson Epers Maligaya. Shoutouts ni Modiatol and sa Team San Jose. Yan, and kay Jasmine Galliano. Shoutouts sa Barangay Liniensa. And kay Siang Swan Reyes. Hello Lodi, shoutout po Barangay Santo Niño, Suwan family watching here in Riyadh, Saudi. Ayan po. And Barcoma nailing that three-pointer.
Second personal foul. Second penalty. Barangay Santo Niño.
And Caballero nails the first throw. And Singedas, pass to Barcoma. Kokoy Barcoma with the ball. Back to Singedas. Terence Singedas attacking, penetrating, reverse layup. No good. And Longakit with the ball. Pass to Sabuero. Sabuero for 3. No good. And a rebound by Barcoma. Now Barcoma. Drop pass to Igam. And Barcoma was fouled. And a timeout called by Barangay Liniensa with 50 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter. At to score 31-28. 3-point lead by Barangay Santo Niño. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger and Daddy Burger ng Bayan. Yes, syempre, shoutouts kay Sir Richard Inso. Daghan kayong salamat, sir. Lami kayo nyo ang burger. Yan, and Melbert Baltasar, shoutout naman from Banawa, Cebu City. Yes. Natay mga viewers, no? Outside the city, no? Natay viewers from Cebu. Napod tayo mga viewers from abroad. And Igam with a reverse layup and the assist from Singedas. And Caballero with the ball, pass to Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo turned around and he was fouled.
Foul. This is number 5. First personal foul. Penalty. Barangay Santo Niño.
And Bolotaulo missing the first throw. And Bolotaulo missing, but Diva was there for the putback.
10 seconds. 5.
Kokoy Barcoma for 3. Kablam! Barcoma nailing that three-pointer, and that was our first half, mga ka-Asenso. Ato score 36-30, 6-point lead by Barangay Santo Niño. And stay tuned, we'll be right back. And Ivy May Merchant Carpentero, shoutouts ni Mudia. And kay Joel Barcoma, shoutouts to Barcoma Brothers. Yan. And si Albert Magaluid, shoutouts diya sa atong live viewers karon.
Third quarter.
And welcome back sa atong ball game mga ka-Asenso. Welcome sa atong third quarter between Barangay Santo Niño and Barangay Linienza. Now Cruz with a pull-up jumper. Missed. Barcoma with the offensive rebound. The referee says last touch Linienza. Now Cruz with the ball. And a three-pointer missed by Barcoma. Caballero to Doña. Back to Caballero. De Los Reyes, pull-up jumper, missed. Bola nakuha ni Cruz. Cruz to Navarro, Navarro. Off the glass, no good. Bola nakuha ni Doña. Doña to Diva, and Diva is running. And layup is good. And missed by Barcoma. De Los Reyes to Caballero. Caballero off the glass. Basket is good. And the long pass to Navarro. Layup missed. Diva to Caballero. To Diva. Basket is good. That may kasama pang foul.
Foul, jersey number 19. First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
It's our fourth deadlock of the ball game. And Diva nails the bonus throw. So Linienza with a 7-0 run at the start of our third quarter. Now Barcoma for three. Kablam! Barcoma with his second three-pointer for tonight. Bolotaulo on the low post, turn around, double team. Back to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes with a floater. Basket is good. Now Cruz with the ball. Barcoma to Navarro. Navarro attacking. Off the glass. Jumper is in. Diva with the ball. Back to Caballero. To De Los Reyes. To Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo. Back to De Los Reyes. Kick out to Doña. 4 seconds to shoot. Off the glass. Doña missed. And Doña missing the putback. Ang bola nakuha ni Barcoma. Now Barcoma for 3. In and out. Caballero to Diva. Back to Caballero. High off the glass. And the basket is good. 6 deadlock of the ball game, mga ka-Asenso. A really close fight. This one tonight, mga ka-Asenso. With a crowd so intense. And Navarro with the ball. Pick and roll to Barcoma. Layup is in. De Los Reyes, pull-up jumper. Basket is in. Now Cruz with the ball. Attacking. And fade away is in. Ball deflected. Last touch, Santo Niño. Now Diva with the ball. Pass to Caballero. Caballero underneath the rim. Layup missed. Odin partially blocked by Barcoma. Bola nakuha ni Kua. Barcoma to Navarro. And last touch, Linienza. 4 seconds to shoot. And a steal by De Los Reyes. A three-pointer missed. Rebound by Barcoma. And last touch, Linienza. And Doña will check in para sa Linienza and Singedas will check in para sa Santo Niño. Now Cruz with the ball. Kua. Bola na bitawan. Ball picked up by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes was fouled.
First personal foul, second deep foul. Mamaliyong kay Gananalia sa may puntaan. Maliyong ko o hawak kaya maliyong mo. Sunod. Sunod. Kaya hindi makita.
And an entering to zone violation called against De Los Reyes. First throw not counted.
Mamaliyong kay sa mga audience kaya sa may puntaan. Dayon ka mo. Kung sa ulaw, ay mag-isol mo na magsipahan dayon.
And second throw is in. Now Barcoma to Singedas to Navarro. Navarro to Singedas. And a turnover para sa Santo Niño. And now Doña is running. Layup is good. Now Cruz. Carrying the ball, violation called against Cruz. So another turnover para sa Santo Niño. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining sa tuwang third quarter. Now Caballero, cross-court pass to Doña for 3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. And the long pass to Navarro. Navarro with a layup. De Los Reyes was fouled.
Number 13, second personal foul. Third team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
And Longakit nailing that three-pointer. Now Cruz with the ball. Navarro for 3. No good. And De Los Reyes was fouled.
Foul, jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Barangay Santo Niño. 15 seconds shot clock.
Now Diva with the ball. Pass to Caballero. And last touch, Linienza. Now Cruz with the ball, attacking, drop pass to Barcoma. Underneath the basket. And we are tied for the 7th time tonight, mga ka-Asenso. Now Longakit. Ball picked up by Caballero. Ball na nakuha ni De Los Reyes. Ball stolen by Singedas. Longakit for 3. No good. Ball na nakuha ni De Los Reyes to Diva. And that was our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. We are tied at 49.
quarter.
And welcome mga kasenso sa tong fourth and final quarter. Our last game for tonight na Caballero nails the turnaround layup. Barcoma, inside pass, ball deflected. Donya for three. Kablam! Now Cruz with the ball. To Barcoma. Back to Cruz. Cruz attacking. Kick out to Navarro. Navarro. Blocked by Diva. And a timeout was called by Barangay Santo Niño with 8 minutes on our game clock. At the score 49-56, 7-point lead. 7-point lead by Barangay Linienza. And Linienza is currently on a 5-0 run. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger and Daddy Burger ng Bayan. Now Cruz with the ball. Pass to Barcoma. Barcoma fade away. No good. Rebound by Bolotaulo. And an 8 seconds violation called against Linienza. Singedas attacking. Kick out to Cruz. Cruz for 3. Air ball. And last touch, Santo Niño. Na Caballero with the ball. Ball picked up by De Los Reyes. Pass to Diva. Diva on the low post. Kick out to De Los Reyes. 5 seconds to shoot. And a steal by Siguedas. To Cruz. And Cruz with a layup. De Los Reyes to Diva. Turnaround. Kick out to De Los Reyes. 7 seconds to shoot. Caballero for 3. Kablam! Navarro with the ball. Pass to Barcoma. Barcoma attacking. Layup is good. Diva. Turn around. Fade away. No good. Bola na rebound ni Barcoma. And now Navarro with the ball. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Layup short. Bola nakuha ni De Los Reyes.
Third personal foul. Second team foul. Warning for technical foul. Losing number 13 for resentment protocol.
And the first throw, no good. And Donya missing both free throws. Bola nakuha ni Navarro. Pass to Barcoma for 3. No good. Caballero to Donya. Donya for 3. No good. And Cruz with the ball to Barcoma for 3. No good. Rebound by Bolotaulo. Bola nakuha ni De Los Reyes. Pass to Diva. To De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes kick out to Donya. Donya to Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo fade away. Basket is good. And Cruz was fouled.
Foul, jersey number 5. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Lumienza.
And Cruz missing the first throw. Cruz missing both free throws. Bola nakuha ni De Los Reyes.
Foul, jersey number 5. Second personal foul.
And De Los Reyes was fouled.
Barangay Santo Niño.
Caballero with the ball to Balat for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Bolotaulo. De Los Reyes with a jumper. The basket is good. Bola nakuha ni Barcoma. Barcoma. Layup. No good.
Technical foul, jersey number 5. Barangay Santo Niño.
And Bolotaulo nails the technical free throw.
Jersey number 5, third personal foul. Third team foul.
And a steal by Santo Niño. Basket is good. At may kasama pang foul.
Foul. Jersey number 10. First personal foul. Third team foul. Barangay Liniesa.
And Cruz missing the bonus throw. Kabalat to Bolotaulo. And a turnover para sa Liniensa. Barcoma to Navarro. And an offensive foul called against Navarro.
Jersey number 13. Offensive foul. Jersey number 34. Personal foul.
And a timeout called by Liniensa. With 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa tuwang ball game. At to score 55-64. 9-point lead by Barangay Liniensa. And this timeout is brought to us by LGL Construction. And De Los Reyes with the ball. To Diva. Diva on the low post. To Caballero. To De Los Reyes. And Balat missing the layup. Rebound by Kua. Bola nakuha ni Caballero. Caballero for 3. No good. Now Cruz with the ball. Barcoma for 3. No good. De Los Reyes with the ball. Bolotaulo with a jumper. No good. Offensive rebound by Diva. De Los Reyes missing the jumper. Cruz with a step back jumper. No good. Cruz to Barcoma. To Navarro. As Santo Niño was scoreless in the past 3 minutes. Balat missing the 3-pointer. Off the glass miss. Barcoma. And Linienza is gonna wind the clock down. And Linienza will get away with this, mga ka-Asenso. Our final score, 55-64, winner Barangay Linienza.